So I made a huge mistake by using dry spackle, which I realized after the fact I can't wet sand it. So now I'm dry sanding it, which is making a huge mess. And I mean, it is filling in some cracks, but it's not going to be quite as flexible as something like Bondo or a spray fill-in primer. But the problem is those will be really smelly, and I don't want my whole house to smell like chemicals, and I'm a little bit worried about using them. And there's like the two-part process, which I'm not used to as well. Also, it's bad for my bunnies. It's very toxic to bunnies, and they're sensitive and they roam throughout my house. And I also have a reptile that also is sensitive to smells and chemicals and stuff. So small animals plus chemicals does not mix very well. So I'm just kind of sticking to it with what I have. It is filling in a little bit of the lines, but I'm trying to get rid of the most of it that I can so that it doesn't end up causing cracking. And then maybe I'll try to prime it and then wet sand it and see how far I can get. Hopefully, fingers crossed, it's not going to cause cracking for me. I guess my worst case scenario is I've still sanded quite a bit. If I do need to, redo the paint, I can just sand it all down and redo it again. It's not like it's going to get rougher, it's only going to get smoother. So that's the one upside, I guess. So we'll see if Spackle does the job.